Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can create a Gmail account. It's a very easy process, so let's get started. First, you need to open up your Gmail app. Then click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Once you are there, click on Add another account. Next, click on Google. Once you are there, click on Create Account. You'll see two options. Choose the one you want. For this video, I'll choose for my personal use. Now enter your first name and surname. Then click on Next. You'll now need to fill in some basic information. Enter your date of birth and gender. You can type your real date of birth. Then click on Next. Now it's time to create your new Gmail. Type your desired email address, then create your password. Click on Next, and here you go. Your account is created. It may take a few moments, but once it's done, click on Next. Then click on I agree, and that's it. That's how you can create your Gmail account on your phone. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.